Best way of watering onions: saving water. Are you ready to save water with us using rain tube irrigation system for onion farming in a mixed farming setup? Rain tube irrigation is highly efficient, delivering water directly to the roots. This minimizes evaporation and runoff, ensuring your onions get precise amount of water they need. Installation is so simple. Just lay your tubes along the onion rows and connect them to the water source. The tube releases water slowly and evenly, promoting deep root growth and reducing water waste. By using rain tube irrigation, you not only conserve water but also enhance your crop yield. It's a win-win situation for both your farm and the environment. For more farming tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.